We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Ferrari 812 Superfast protected by us at Immobiliser Fit. This one's got a Ghost 2 on it. So if a thief copied this key, done a relay attack or like they're doing in London, smashing the window or opening the door, programming keys and going to start the vehicle, this is what's going to happen. Vehicle's just going to turn over but it's not going to start because it needs to see a unique push sequence. To do that, we'll keep our foot off the brake, we'll tap the start button, pop a unique code in. For now we just have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4. If we watch the cruise control we'll get a double flash. 1, 2, now we'll turn the car off, foot on the brake and start. Vehicle fires into life and runs and the customer can drive it. Obviously that code's very simple, the customer can set their own code on this system and the way they'll do that is keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. First they have to prove it's them with their original code, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We get our double flash. Now the system knows it's us, we can put it into a learn mode, so we'll put our foot to the floor on the accelerator, pop our code in again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The cruise control is going to start to flash. Now we can lift our foot and learn a new code. So we'll just pop it in. Every time I press a button, you can see we get a flash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a triple flash to confirm that's our code. Now just to make sure, we need to put it in again so the system knows it's correct. This time we should only get 2 flashes. That confirms our code's learned. If we get 4 flashes on the second attempt, it means the codes were incorrect and we need to start the process again. But we got 2 flashes, now the car's turned off. Next time we get in it, we'll turn it on, pop our code in. We just have left, right, wait for our double flash, turn the car off and start. There we go, that's how we change our code. If this Ferrari goes back for a service, obviously you want it to be a normal vehicle when it goes to Ferrari. You just want to hand them the key, you don't want to have to tell them your code and make the system vulnerable. So to put it into service mode, just like before, we'll keep our foot off the brake, prove it's us with our code, 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait for our double flash. Now the system knows it's us, we'll pull the parking brake towards us 5 times. Remember to keep your foot off the brake, otherwise it's going to disengage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We now get 5 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This makes it a normal vehicle, so they can move it around their workshop and do what they need to do. As long as the vehicle doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, it's just going to start up without the code and they're going to be able to drive it around, do what they need to do, service it, give it a short road test, and the vehicle is going to be a standard vehicle while it's with them. When you get it home, you want to turn it back on, so foot off the brake, pop your code in. As we said, left, right is our code. Get a double flash and the system is now back on. So we turn the vehicle off just to make sure. We're going to give it some time to set. It's normally about 10 seconds, so by the time you've got out of the vehicle, taken your seatbelt off, locked it, it's going to be set. If a thief got the key, went to steal it, vehicle's just going to overcrank, not going to start. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is a Ferrari 812 Superfast protected with a Ghost 2. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.